beautiful. Jenee Naylor has done it again. The summer drop is here, and I ran into the Target to see what was up. The first thing I ran into was this black dress with gold buttons down the front. This bad boy is heavy, so it reminds me of a sweater-like material. However, it is in the summer collection. I'm excited about it. It is retailing for $40 and it goes up to a size 2XL. So it has something for all of my plus size girlies. So I think I'm going to add this bad boy to the cart. Look at how heavy that thing is. And it's the gold buttons for me, honey. It is the buttons. It does have a low square back and it has this beautiful tie detail. So we're going to see how this does. Also, it was this lavender set. This is a crop top or a tube top type of set. This isn't something that I'm comfortable wearing. I am plus size and I am top heavy, but it had this beautiful hammered gold detail. The top retailed for $24. It does go up to a 2XL and it does have the scrunchy bag for all of my beauties who are willing to try it. The skirt that comes with it retails for $36. It is the same lavender material. It does have a split on the side and the hammered gold detail on the side of the skirt. So I think it's really cute, but it was kind of up and down and I need something that gives me a little shape. I was not sure about this top. This is a black top. It does have that same gold detail on the buttons. It is hammered with this beautiful shape. The reason why I wasn't too sure about it is because of the straps, how thin these straps are. Being top heavy, that is a concern of mine, but I do love the top. It has like a little peplum. It did go up to a size 17. Now these pants, they went up to a size 2XL. These are pants with the little skirt attachment. I'm not quite sure what to call these bad boys, but it has a little skirt attachment. They retail for $38. These are the cream ones, but baby, wait until you see what I got coming up. So listen, you see how they was just putting this out. So I was so grateful to be there early to be able to take a look at what they were putting out. This is a halter dress. It comes in black and cream and it does have gold details on the side, and this dress is beautiful. It's orange. It reminds me of a beautiful sunset orange and yellow. It is very lightweight. It retails for $42. It does go up to a size 2XL. It has the tie detail in the back around the neck. And so I might try this, but remember I told you about them tan pants? Baby, I don't know if this is orange or red. Y'all tell me in the comments what you think it is, but either way, this bad boy is coming with me. Now these are retailing for $38 and they do have elastic in the back. So I'm actually going to try extra large and see how that fits. But you see, these is the first things in a cart. And then it was this beautiful yellow dress. Again, this isn't a dress that will work for me. It goes up to a size 17 or 2XL. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. It retails for $40, but I don't know about the whole details, especially because I am top heavy. And this is kind of like another straight up and down dress. So I'm in the fitting room, baby, and I'm going to try these things on. I'm excited about these pants. I'm excited about the vibrant colors. I'm just excited to see what this second drop is going to do for us, for all the girls. I got everything in an extra large, a 17 or a 2XL. And I'm not necessarily dressed to be trying on things, but I'm gonna try it on, baby, right on over top of this little bodysuit I got on. So let's get into it. So the first thing I tried was this knit dress. Again, it is a beautiful color. It is very lightweight. It is very vibrant. But I do not think this dress is for me. It comes down until about the ankle, so I wish it was a little bit longer. But again, it doesn't really have any shape to it. So if you are looking for something that snatches in your waist, this does not do it. You're going to have to be really careful about your undergarments, what you put on underneath, because it is a little see-through actually. And It might be so lightweight again that it doesn't give me the comfort and the hold that I need in my clothing, and it shows all of the rolls, the dimples and all of that, and I'm just not comfortable with that in a dress like this. Now this peplum top, remember I told you I wasn't sure about this top, but baby, I am very sure now. All of the boobs fit in it. Every boob I have is in this top. And I'm going to remind you that I do not have on the proper undergarments. However, it is wearing itself. Now this is a peplum top. The button detail is exquisite. It does give you a little definition in your waist for all of my plus size boobs who need a little bit of definition in your waist to cinch it in and give you a little shape. That's what I need. I love this top. I was afraid of the straps, but baby, the straps are strapping. The button detail, and it does have smaller buttons on the inside to keep it closed so you don't have that gapping. I really love this top, and I think with the proper undergarments, the right kind of bra, this is going to be an exquisite top. It is really well made. I'm enjoying this top, and I think this bad boy is going to come home with me. Now let's get into my favorite pants. Now I told you I got them in an extra large, and baby, these things are long, but they do not zip on the side. You see the girl, you see the spacing. You see how ain't nothing zipping right here. But honey, they are long enough that I know that if I go up a size, it's going to be amazing. As you can see, I cannot zip it, and it does have this piece that goes over, and you're supposed to tie it. So I think I'm gonna run out and grab a larger size, and that's exactly what I did. This is the 2XL that I put on. These are even longer. As you can see, they drag on the ground. I am going to have to tie that tie really tight because it is a little looser than the other ones. And baby, I put this on without having to unzip the zipper, and that makes me happy. So I got them in a 2XL. They retail for $38. I love this little side panel. I just think I need to tie it tighter. It does have elastic in the back, which is amazing, but it does not have pockets. So if you're a pocket girl, these do not have them. They do again have that side zipper, and it does lay flat, so I do enjoy that. But again, you're going to have to tie this a little tight to make sure it cinches in your waist a little more. I know that's something that I'm going to be doing, but these pants are very long. They're very vibrant, and I am enjoying them. So now this dress, this halter dress, baby, it shocked me. Now, I'm not a halter girl because I don't like fighting with strapless bras, especially being as top heavy as I am. However, this dress, and I got it in a size 17, so this is a 17. It retails for $34. It does have a side zipper, and I was able to unzip and zip this bad boy up by myself with no help. And if you are plus size, you know exactly what I'm talking about. You need a little help with them dang on side zippers. You fight your back. Now it is structured, so it does give you a little bit of hole in the midsection, but you're definitely going to have to put on an undergarment to hold it in if that's something that you are worried about. I again am not a halter top girl because I don't like fighting with it, but the dress was dressing. Now, okay, now back to this black dress. Baby, it is the buttons for me every time. Get into the detail of the dress, baby. It is, I don't know if this is a sweater or not. Whatever it is, this baby got to come home. She is heavy. She comes right below the knee. It is beautiful. It feels luxurious. It feels like it's well made. I think I'm going to size down. This is a large that I have on. It is very stretchy, but I'm going to size down because you know how you can see those little dimples on the sides of those little puckers. I don't like that. So I'm going to size down and see what a medium looks like. But can we get into it? Can we get into the dress? Now, I'm going to have to put on some good old undergarments on here just to make sure everything lays flat and is all snatched in. But this dress is coming home. Now, I want you to look at the back. You see that square back? That's sexy. The square bag shows just the right amount of skin while still allowing you to wear a supportive bra. So listen, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you think of this new drop from Jenee Naylor at Target.